let us explore Willy Wonka and Darth Bane. This is Lama, Jigme, Gyatso. Welcome to Meditate Like a Jedi. It was 1971, and I was in first or second grade, and a classmate's mother had taken many of us to see Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory for his birthday. My family did not often go to the movies, so this was very exciting for me. Timid and uncertain and polite, I did what I was told and gratefully accepted what I was offered. And I was offered hot buttered popcorn and what seemed like a huge vessel of Dr. Pepper, a soda I had heretofore never tasted. So there I sat in the darkened theater with my classmates and several hundred strangers, eating my popcorn and sipping my Dr. Pepper, and all the while enjoying the movie, which I still remember to this day. Upon first consideration, one could understandably assume that the movie could distract me from my snacking and sipping and thus undermine my enjoyment of them. But I experienced the opposite to be true, that the movie enhanced my enjoyment of the popcorn and the soda, and that the popcorn and the soda in turn enhanced my enjoyment of the movie. And this could be very much like our practice of meditation, where during our inhalation we silently and mentally recite this, and during our exhalation we silently and mentally recite yes, while relaxing as best we can. For just as I was able to observe the movie while snacking and sipping, we too could notice our mind while thising and yesing. We could notice sensations and flavors and scents and sounds and sights, as well as our emotions and intentions and reasonings and recollections and imaginings. And we could notice all those things passively and non-conceptually. And as we physically relax into each exhalation, for that is what our bodies have evolved to do. All that we noticed could feel a little less graspable and a little easier to mentally release. And just as the snacking and the sipping did not undermine my enjoyment of the movie, but rather enhanced it, likewise, our silent and mental recitations of this and yes, in harmony with our breathing, does not undermine our ability to watch the play of mind, nor relax into its non-graspable nature, but rather facilitates it. More than 2 millennia ago, a Jewish carpenter is said to have explained that man was not made for the Sabbath, but Sabbath for man. Likewise, I tell you that we do not sit in meditation that we might more efficiently recite this and yes, but rather that we silently and mentally recite this and yes, that we might more efficiently meditate, that our passive and non-conceptual observation of the play of mind, and our physical and visceral and mental relaxation into its non-graspable nature might be more easy and more effective and more transformative. Recall, if you will, Darth Bane's rule of 2, wherein there must be a master to have power and a student to crave it. This is a form of elitism and manipulation. And over the millennia, many so-called spiritual teachers have used cryptic meditation instructions and arcane techniques to reinforce a rule of two like elitism and coercion. Some deliberately choose obfuscation and coercion because they embrace elitism and power and prestige. Others because they lack the mental acuity to know better. But I am here to tell you that something does not have to be difficult to be effective. I am telling you the opposite. I'm telling you that something must be easy and intuitive if it is to be sustainable, no less effective. But do not take my word for it. Put it to the test. Play with these techniques every morning and every evening that you, like Rey Skywalker, could meditate like a Jedi.